guys, welcome to our channel. I'm Yuki, the trainer from JEGA. In today's video, we are going to talk about the JEGA AiCutlist update under this draw menu, the annotation. The first is this text. You can use this text to input some text inside. Just simply left click on this one. Specify the first corner. Now you are creating area for the text you are going to input. So I just simply left clicked. The next is to input the height of the text. If I input 18 and press the space key, then to input the text, I just random input it and press space key. Then you can input the text like this. Okay, let's check the next thing is the linear is to check the horizontal and vertical line. And now you can just left click, then select the start point and end point. And move to the top or move to the button to play the annotation. Just left click to play this one. And click the escape key to escape from this command. This is only for the horizontal or vertical line if the line is like this type. If you're using the linear one, you can check that the start point and the end point. Then it will be like this type. If you want to check the dimension of the line, you can use this align feature. Left click this one and left click the start point and the end point and move out. Then you can check its distance like this. What's more, here is for you to check the angle. Left click. So first select the first line segment like this one. Then the second line. Now you can see the angle at here. Just left click to play the annotation. Here is the radius. You can set the radius, left click and select like this circle. And still the same for the diameter. Left click the art and place to the part you like. What's more, if you would like to change its styles, you need to use this mark styles. Left click this one. Here is the standard one. You can create one default one for yourself. But after you create a new one, remember it will not be activate for the previous annotation. It will only activate for the new one. Now I just click modify to change the styles. Click inside, you can change the line of it, like you can change the dimension line color. Here to change it. Here is the light type. You can change this to the by layer or the continuous, the light width, all the thing here. Then to save it, then you can see it will be changed like this. The second thing is the symbols and the arrow. You can change the arrow size. This one, line changes to 10, then it will be smaller like this. The third one is the text. You can change the text style. Here is the color. You can change its color and the fill color. And here's the text height. You just change the text position, horizontal or at the top, at the center like this, and the level, and save it. Then you can see the line is the unit, like you want it to have the decimal and the decimal precision is like, you can change its precision here. And here is the decimal separators type. You just change it at here. So this is all about the annotation. See you at our next video. Goodbye.